So you might be trying to figure out how you can turn off your iPhone if you think it's secretly listening to you. Now, one of the easiest ways to go ahead and turn this off is the Hey Siri turning off. So basically, your iPhone is always listening to if you're saying Hey Siri, and then it's going to go and toggle off and all that stuff. If you want to just turn that off completely, what you could do is make your way over to your settings application like this. You can then go through and then swipe down until you find Siri and search. So find that Siri and search option, or it could be Apple Intelligence and Siri, something like that. Tap on that, and then you're going to be able to come here. What you want to do is you want to find a little option that should say something like, Hey Siri, or, talk to Siri, I guess is what they're calling it now. And then if you tap on here, you want to turn this particular thing off. Turning this off is basically going to make it so it's not going to listen for, Hey Siri and those things. That's the easiest way to do it. Another thing you can do is make your way back into your main panel. Swipe down until you find the apps portion. Find a specific application that you want to turn off the microphone access to. And when you do that, you'll be able to go through and find the applications, and you want to look for that microphone toggle. When you see it, you can just go ahead and toggle it off, and that will stop that particular application from listening to you as well. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.